No backyard neighbors. Birnam Wood is hidden in plain sight, putting you in a virtually perfect location. Cozy bungalow style all-brick home. Plenty of storage space. Gas fireplace, real laundry room. Granite and stainless in the eat-in kitchen with the added bonus of a formal dining room. No carpet in the master bedroom on the main level. The master ensuite bath features glass/tile shower plus a walk-in closet. Upstairs offers a multifunctional flex area, 2 additional spacious spare bedrooms, a full bath and a bonus room. Covered deck in the back means perfection for a swing, hammock or rocking chairs.